How to hide specific WordPress role from the members directory. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to hide specific WordPress role you want from the members directory. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Next step, please copy a snippet from our GitHub. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp-custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Paste the copied snippet to the file, and change the role on the snippet with any role you want to exclude from the members directory. In this video, I will exclude the administrator role as an example. And let's see the result. The administrator role disappears from the members directory page. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.